How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one, and this one, and also this one. It's an AI influencer, it doesn't exist, and you can use it to get your money. Dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are redefining the roles of social media marketing and rocking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers, and you don't have to show your face, you don't have to do your voiceover, or you don't have even to write the script. A lot of AI influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. So don't worry, you don't have to create it because we have here hygiene.com is an AI based tool that you can or can be utilized to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. You can choose the one you want and then you will enter your email, your code, and you will answer for a few questions. And after finishing your inscription or signing up, you'll have this home page. Let's come back to the home page. So you'll have this home page, and so here we have recent creations, and here we have hygiene learning guide. If you want an AI studio, video avatar, AI voice, video translation, and if you want a templates too, if you want a mobile app or diversity, equity, and inclusion campaign, weekly report. We have here various templates that you can use to start. And if we scroll down over here, we can find here avatars. So you can choose the one suits you. By clicking here video avatars, and as you can see here we have three options: instant avatar, photo avatar, studio avatar. You can click over here and you will get to various avatar. Let's see, if we scroll down you will find a lot of characters, AI characters. Then you can choose on your videos or to start on your channel, YouTube channel. So here we have, as I said, different ones. So you can just click on the one you want to start with, and as you can see, this three dot that mean if you want to edit your avatar of or if you want to get avatar ID. So the only thing you have to do is creating or clicking here. So let's choose for example the one the student more. For example, let's choose um for example that one. So you can just click over here landscape if you want to start with YouTube, and then you will or it will lead you to this page. As you can see here we have a lot of things or options that you can choose. So if you want to add a script, you can just click over here and you can change the script, or you can add your script that you want. And if you want to add another one, you can just click over here. So this tree that it's related to if you want to apply to other scripts. So if you want to make your voice speed, or you want to translate it, or if you want to duplicate script by voice to other scripts, or if you want to delete scripts, it's related to the voice. So you can choose also the voice you want. So let's for example select one. So here we have that one.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you.
So let's see another one.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
So So here you can select the one you want if you want it for natural or for explainer or for ads or for audiobooks or e-learning narration games, and if you wanna if you want it for various languages, or if you wanna male or female, and you can select the age too and the function. So here we have various things that you can select, and you can also change the place of your avatar or of your character, AI character. So you can just select in the middle, and then you will submit your video after editing it and adding script, and also selecting the voice you want. So you can just add this example. For example, we have it here. Like
AI influencers are equipped with advanced natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, allowing them to interact with users in real time, understand context, and
so this is our example. So the question is how I can start, for example, how I can start getting money using this kind of videos. I mean, using AI influencers. So it can give you a lot of ideas. For example, you can start with affiliate marketing through platforms like, for example, impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So you can find here a lot of brands that you can choose to start, and then you can promote their product or services through affiliate partnerships. Brands affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through their referral links, providing an additional revenue stream. Or you can just start or create a video guide using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience. So you can just define your topic, and then you will choose the script that you want by writing a script for your video guide, and you can select your AI influencer by choosing an AI character on hygiene.com. So there's other website that you can find, or you can create your own character, and there's a lot of ways, a lot of ideas you can follow it to start your own business by creating content on social media, especially if you want to start on YouTube by creating your own channel. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.